Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. So sorry, मेरे को लगा कि अगर मैं डिटेल में इमिग्रेशन लॉयर के साथ वीडियो बनाऊंगा तो शायद आपको समझ में आएगा कि पूरा लॉ प्रोसेस, रूल मेकिंग प्रोसेस कैसे काम करता है. बट लुक्स लाइक देयर इज लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ कमेंट्स दैट यू गाइस डिडंट अंडरस्टूड एंड इन फैक्ट दैट मेड यू मोर कंफ्यूज कि ये रूल है क्या. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दिस रूल प्रपोजल is and how will this impact you. Before I get started, let me tell you that this rule is in a proposed state. This is a proposal. 30 days मिलता है, उसके उस पर कॉमेंट करेंगे तो बहुत सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज़, इमिग्रेशन लॉयर्स एंड इमिग्रेशन एसोसिएशन लॉयर्स, सारे लोग अभी कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि ये रूल बहुत बुरा है. स्टैनफोर्ड ने ऑलरेडी कुछ बहुत बड़ा सा कमेंट कर दिया है. तो दिस इज द टाइम वेयर पीपल आर कमेंटिंग बैक ऑन दिस न्यू proposal rule. There is a longer process to get this approved. It is even possible if Joe Biden gets elected and Trump is not anymore president, then this rule might not even fall into effect. He might not want this rule to be even in considered. So this is again a proposed rule. एकदम simple language में अभी जो visa process होते हैं right now, the visa gets processed with the duration of stay, duration of your education. So for example, if you did masters for 2 years, it doesn't has to be done in 2 years. You can take 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, as long as your college keeps approving your extension. So there's no limit to how long you can take to complete your education as long as your college approves it. Now this rule is saying that you have to complete your education within this amount of time. For example, अभी ये लोग बोल रहे हैं 4 years of stay, fixed stay बोल रहे हैं, and they are also saying that there could be 2 years for other degrees which most likely will be for master student. They have not clarified कि यही degrees होगी कि नहीं. It could be 4 years, it could be 2 years, we don't know you. But let's say an example कि आप आ रहे हो bachelor's करने या masters करने, you're coming for that and you get visa stamped on spring 2021, January 2021. You have to complete your masters in January 2023, and that is because you have only 2 years to complete your masters. Now it could be that they could say that you will get 4 years to complete your masters, you will get 2 years to complete your masters. We don't know what the length they will come up and finally decide. Right now they are toggling between 4 years and they are saying for certain degrees we will do 2 years. So my guess is that 2 years will be for master's program. What used to happen is you used to do your master's first semester, second semester. Now you got a co-op and you're taking 9 months of co-op to work in full time for this XYZ company. You just have to take permission from your college approves it. You don't have to worry about anything because your master's keeps extending. You don't have any limit to it. Now the limit is that you have to complete within 2 years. So going back to the same example, you did your first semester, second semester, एक साल हो गया खत्म, 9 महीने का co-op हो गया, अभी बचे आपके पास 3 महीने. In that 3 months you have to complete your masters because that's your fixed years of education. That is the only time you have approved to stay in United States. In that case you have to apply for F1 visa extension and your F1 visa will go through the same process जो H1 visa का होता है. So you will file for it, you will get a case number, it will get approved and you will get your extension. Going back to the same example, you did 1 year of a masters, 9 months of co-op. Now you need another at least minimum of 1 year to complete your masters and 3 months you already have. So maybe they will, when you apply for an extension, you will have a form where you have to say how longer it will take you to complete your education, and they can approve it or deny it based on your current situation, based on the approval, based on how factual your data is. Similar to H1B visa extension, you don't have to go to India to get the stamp again. You don't have to do the interview again unless you are traveling to India. So for example, your visa got expired, you got your extension approved, then you are going to India. If you are going to India for your family visit or whatever, if you're going to India or your country, when you're coming back you have to get an approval. So that is basically the proposed changes in the rule is. And there is one more change. They are saying that पहले क्या होता था, अगर आपका OPT खत्म हो गया और आपको जॉब नहीं मिली तो आपके पास फिर भी 60 days रहते थे. You got 60 grace period to prepare for departure, but now they are wanting to decrease it to 30 days. In and all, this won't impact if you're planning to do your masters in 2 years, not planning to do any CPT and just doing your masters. तो कुछ impact नहीं पड़ेगा. You will do the same process. You will still apply for OPT and everything will be fine. But the only people who will get severely impact for bachelors or for masters who wants to, maybe they came for computer science, they didn't like it, they want to change your course, they want to do CPT, they want to do co-op, they want to do multiple internships, and now the duration now no more will stay 2 years for you, it will be increased. तो मेरे केस में सेम होता था. मेरे केस में मैंने 2.5 साल लगाया था मास्टर्स कंप्लीट करने क्योंकि मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा सेमेस्टर लिया था, उसमें मैंने एक्स्ट्रा प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट के सब्जेक्ट्स लिए थे, तो वो मैं नहीं कर पाता क्योंकि मेरे को दिया गया है सिर्फ 2 साल का मास्टर्स कंप्लीट करना है. तो आई हैव टू ग्रेजुएट इन 2 years. सो फॉर दैट आई हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर एन एक्सटेंशन. आई होप कि आपको अभी ये रूल समझ में आ चुका होगा. अभी भी ये रूल प्रपोज स्टेज में, अप्रूवल होने में टाइम है, बट अगर होता है तो यू जस्ट हैव टू प्लान रियली वेल व्हाट यू नीड टू डू फॉर योर बैचलर्स या मास्टर्स. मतलब यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रेटेजिक. दैट्स ऑल इट इज. यू हैव टू बी रियली केयरफुल एंड प्लानिंग अच्छे से करनी है. आई रियली होप दैट दिस rule doesn't get approved because it seems crazy to me, it seems scary to me. There's so much more paperwork, extension process, denial, approval, ये सब इतना मगजमारी होने वाला है अगर ये सच में अप्रूव हो गया तो. In my opinion this could also be a very big political stand because अभी इलेक्शन आने वाला है 1 महीने में, so they president wants more votes, so it could be this whole thing for just election, and maybe this will not go through, maybe this will go through, we don't know. So just keep an eye on it. मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा, अपडेट बनाऊंगा. 30 दिन के बाद पता चलेगा कि क्या कमेंट्स आई है लोगों की and what they are considering. So we'll make an update video, but for now I hope I was able to make you understand what this rule is about. Thank you for all the comments and love. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep smiling and keep hustling. Gotta hustle every single day.